all enjoy this. This is from Bath and Body Works. Hello there everyone, I am Manya and welcome back to my channel. So this is the step that I have been procrastinating long enough and I'm finally doing it. After this whole neat facade that I have just experienced, I think I need the rejuvenation time and this is going to be the perfect one. So come back with me to the backstory. So basically we are heading to my Nani's place. We have this whole gathering for which is a spiritual gathering, and we are welcoming our Devta ji, and yeah, you will get to know more about that in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Firstly, I will be carrying this bag with me, and this has been one of my really spacious ones, so I can carry a lot of things in this, and it has a very cute little charm as well. I love this sunflower, reminds me of myself and my personality, so yeah. I'm just exaggerating. So I have kept a few things and I will show it to you. So I'm packing this one. It has all of the essentials that I want. It has my lip balm, lip tint, my perfumes. It has my deodorant, my Itri bottle, and this is my curling thing, and these are my medicines that has been prescribed to me by my dermatologist. I'll be carrying this, and this is just a travel size moisturizer. So this is the whole Q2 little pouch that I'll be carrying with me, and this will be with me is wale bag mein. And yeah, so this is the first thing that I'll be keeping in my bag, ताकि ये ऐसे मेरे एक्सेस में रहे. मुझे कभी भी कुछ भी चाहिए होगा मैं तुरंत सिर्फ अपने इस वाले बैग को खोल करके I can use this. ठीक है. Then apart from this, I'll be carrying two most important things for any girl, I think. Are these wet wipes. So these wet wipes you can use for whatever purpose you have, and this is microfiber towel, and I think travel के लिए perfect है. So I'll be keeping this as well in my purse. And another thing which I cannot live without are good body sprays, and this is from Bath and Body Works. This is Dark Kiss. I'm going to be keeping this. Actually मेरे किसी भी pouch में नहीं आ रहा था, so I am thinking of keeping it in my purse. Okay. And some of more things I'll be keeping in this, like my jewelry and all of that. I'm just going to be adding this sanitizer. That's all. I'm good to go. This is my bag, which is absolutely packed and balanced. So this is the purse that I'm carrying. This is another kit that I have. These are some other stuff, but these two are essential ones, and we are carrying this. Yeah, that's all. Then I have this another bag. Okay, इसमें I'm keeping one of the suits which I have to wear on the main event. We are leaving on 6th, and it will be back. I don't know कब तक मैं ये video edit करके post करूँगी. These are my clothes which I'll be wearing for the night time. And then this third thing is one of the suits which my mom is insisting on me. But no matter how much I try to be मुझे simple रहना है, she just wants to. Anyways, this is gonna be my bag. Easy to carry. I can take it along with me by myself. I don't need anybody's help with it. And another bag which will be my. ऐसे लेके जाऊँगी मैं इसको. ठीक है, तो ये दूसरा bag मुझे आएगा. I think you should meet this cute creature. Her name is Boba, and she's my bestie. And I rant and cry with her only. I'm sorry, Lulu. So while editing the video, I realized that I have not made any outro for the video. So this is me just concluding the whole video. And I hope you all enjoyed it. And I had a blast of a trip, I must say. The whole situation of the divine energies that I have witnessed this time, I myself was very, very, very overwhelmed. And my family enjoyed a lot, I enjoyed a lot, and yeah, that's the whole point, I guess. And also came across a lot of new news. That was that, of course, that I'll be reappearing for NEET as well, because the whole NTA blunder again. So yeah, that's a story for another day. But for now, I hope you all enjoyed it. Take care and see you in the next one. Till then, keep shining brighter and work harder.